You've outdone yourself, Peter.
New device detected. Pairing new device.
You don't listen to him. You listen to me.
If you want to have a kid, when you're done that.
I'm glad you brought this up, because it's nothing. It's just a housing unit for Natalie.
Where'd that come from?
It's nanotech. You like it?
They try to take my floor, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say